The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall, skilla. I want to share this with you, sir. Me feel hungry, me go out on the road and me go look one food for buy, sir. And anywhere, me dey on the road and the police car drive down with a curfew hours. And them carry me go to jail and charge me for mass and curfew, for mass and breach a curfew. Anyhow, me go a station and they lock me and put me under $100,000 bail bond, sir. And Friday gone, me go to court, sir. And the judge charged me $700,000, Mr. Prime Minister. I want to share this with you. And when they put the bail bond and it then charge me from Mr. Prime Minister. I have pressure, me sick. Mr. Andrew, me live on Newborn 2nd Street, Pani Boulevard. Miss Holness know me everything. My name Erica. Mr. Parnell charge I'm a MP, sir. And I want to reach out to them. I want this comment go all about around the place because me never hear this in that history.
700,000 Jamaican dollars in a demi time, my people. That hard, you know? That rough. Don't go say she can pay it still. Big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall, skilla. But there again, you see? Alright, so I have one more video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. I just presented to you a video that shows a female. In the video, the female said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that she had been charged or fined 700,000 Jamaican dollars by the court within the country of Jamaica. The female also said some things in the video that gave me the understanding that she said that she had been brought into police custody within the country of Jamaica for not wearing a mask out in the public and for breaching curfew within the country of Jamaica. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And share this video as well too, alright? The next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a man. In the video, the man said some things that gave me the understanding that he talked about Jamaicans who are disrespecting and blaming the Prime Minister of Jamaica who goes by the name of Andrew Holness for certain reasons. In the video, the man called a Jamaican musician's name who goes by the name of I-octane. The man talked about quite a number of things in the video that I'm about to present to you. In the video, the man used words that are considered to be name-calling and harsh language. Viewers and subscribers, let me know if you agree or if you disagree with the things that the man said in this video that I'm about to present to you. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I'm going to spend a long time doing this video, see? It is a thing we need to straighten out with my fellow Jamaican people then. See? All over the world and the world might there. See? What is Mr. Jamaican? Born and grew in this little island. See? I want Jamaica people to understand, say, when all of you come out, from church people to picnic to everybody come out and I try to disrespect the Prime Minister. See? And the right thing you want to do. Because I tell you this. You have enough careless people in Jamaica, you know. I talk about careless men and women. See? We go around over the years getting unnecessary picnic in the world. See? And when them do all of them things and create problem for themselves, then they want to blame the Prime Minister. See? We have a further down the road, you know, because we have more things to discuss, you know, and I just this me I say right now. See? But watch this. If you as a man or a woman born poor, you're born come see your mother and your father struggle the people. You want to understand me, see? Whether you live in a ghetto or in the country or wherever you want to live. You're born come see your mother and your father struggling. You know? One bedroom house and everything a go bad. Nothing good in the family. Why you as a man or a woman grew up and come do the same thing? Your mother don't have 7 pitney already and who now struggle. And the 7 pitney come have 3 pitney each. One son go get 3, the daughter go get 3 or 4 in the same 1 bedroom house. Living the same life. And then you blame yourself say The richer go richer and the poorer go poorer. Call down poverty upon yourself more and more because what this, you know? If you live in our house and want to buy 2 pounds of sugar and the 2 pounds of sugar lasts for 4 morning because 11 people live in the house. If you go get 4 more or 5 more pitney, how much morning the 2 pounds of sugar go last for? 2. Because the pot of tea have to go bigger. See? And more poverty that. You know, see them things that one are the wrong, you know. Look how much things woman can take to avoid pregnancy. Unnecessary pregnancy. Them not take none. But one woman find herself with 8 pitney with 6 different surnames. Or 4 kids with 4 different surnames. Making the same mistake every day. A breed for workless man. See? Breed for workless man, you know. Some boy will have them pants at them knee. I walk up and down and rub them hand niggle every day. See? Woman keep on making the same mistake. A breed for them caliber man there. And then want to put the blame on the government. The government bring out a thing we call PART program. We can have help people who financially weak to even send them people to go to school. Me no see nobody come out, come talk about that and give thanks for that. And praise the Prime Minister for that. From a little boy, I see my grandmother, them a collect one something them call food stamp. See? Me no see nobody come out and applaud the Prime Minister them for that from them time. From Michael Manley them days come right down to Mr. Andrew Holness now. See? Coronavirus come out and the man try to use up some measures where to try to calm things. And before you know, try to groove with the man and do the right thing, everybody come out and cuss him. See? Nobody now seek God for themselves, you know. Them a cuss the Prime Minister. Pitney a do it, big people a do it. Because them careless people here have some careless pitney in the world when it make no sense. Them just grow them wild and everybody come and do the same thing. See? But what's going to happen now? If the Prime Minister should take for himself, leave the country to all of who feel that they can run Jamaica, I want to see how it will go. I want to see how it will go, you know. Because me no know if Uno capable enough to run this island the way you want to go on. Because if it everybody come out, Prime Minister this, Prime Minister that, Prime Minister this, Prime Minister that, when Uno now do nothing for Jamaica. See? Nothing for Jamaica, you know. Watch this. Me I talk to you, I-octane special. I want this video reach you, you know. I want this video reach you, I-octane. You. Because the other day, I see you jump on social media with one bag of chatting and I go on with all kind of animosity, you know. And I call it the Prime Minister name and I look a boy. I tell you this, more on this video reach you special, you know. You I-octane. You hear much time I repeat your name? When was the last time you go to Portmore Lane up on Newland? When was the last time you go down there and go share up $100,000 with some people who used to rate you in a Portmore Lane? When was the last time you go down there? I see you out of river and I talk about fire this and zinc fence that. But Prime Minister to meet you halfway. Meet you halfway with what? If you want proof that you can run Jamaica, take the money where you have. Go spend $10 or $15 million, buy some food, kind of get to them. Go feed people. You don't need no help from the Prime Minister for that. Since you feel like you can take up Jamaica upon your head. Because the other day, you know, when this girl did go expose you on social media, you know, if you come from social media beg like a baby, you couldn't come beat no zinc and burn no fire and judgment and lightning ball. You couldn't do that to she. You couldn't judgment she. But you can't come judgment the Prime Minister and lightning ball and fire and this and go on. Look a nasty boy. Let me tell you something. Leave the Prime Minister alone and go take on Jamaica if you think you can do it. See? Because the other day when you did have to go behind closed door, go pee off the girl, you did go expose you. See? You have to go trim your hair and go see yourself in a one corner, sit down and stop come on social media, come exalt yourself because you are not nobody. You I-octane special media deal with you special. Try know that. And all of you entertainer we out there. Walk come about Prime Minister this and Andrew Holness that. You go take what you have on the yard, go sell it. And go feed people. And go be the government of Jamaica then. If you don't feel like you're good enough to run Jamaica, because the whole of the hospital in Jamaica full right now, and there's nothing that none of you can do. See? You can't order a shipload of oxygen, none of you can step forward and do that. You can't order one shipload of bed, you can't step forward and do that. You don't only love exalt yourself because you don't want people to soon and believe you is all that you is nothing in the world. See? Me don't want to consider who me, you know. Say all you know say, but me I make you know this at the truth. Me I make you know. You don't have some family right now who are hungry, you know. No for you to interfere in a boy. You don't have some nieces and some nephews out there right now who never have a tablet to do online school, you know. No for you to have that right now, I mean, know that I want to pay them no mind. who don't know walk, go them auntie and them uncle the yard, go try to see how no niece and no nephew them are living a boy. See? You don't only love exalt to yourself because you don't feel like you are entertainer. See? And some little flyers will run back at you, some little idiot, girl and boy will run back at you and feel like you is to be praised, you is not to be praised because you are no God. Now you couldn't know that. See? When the judgment are coming, I go take the whole hurt. You try to understand that. So when you now come talk about Prime Minister, lockdown country and this and that and the third, the Prime Minister have to do what he have to do. Him are the man who responds for the island, no who no. Andrew Holness responds for the Jamaica, you know. No who no yard. Try to know that, people. Andrew Holness is a young Prime Minister. He responds to Jamaica Island. Now if you come out in the yard, come seek out to the personal business and come know what you do for one another, you know. Andrew Holness is supposed to do that, you know. He responds to take care of the country. Bonafide. See? I want to understand that. The responsibility where the Prime Minister have is to run the island. Now if you come out in the yard from house to house, become soon no careless living over and live, you know. Because the people in where Jamaica are hungry now, them are calling upon themselves, you know. Because of unnecessary picnic, some woman are breathing nugget, you know. We are breathing for some waste man, you know. Some big workless man, you know. Mr. Jamaican, you know. See? And I could have get 10 or 15 youths. Me never have to get a book list from no Prime Minister or no MP, you know. To school my daughter, you know. Never. Me work straight and make sure that she alright. Every day of her life. Until now. See? Me not depend upon no MP or no body from no party to do nothing. I never vote yet. Me is not no PMP or no Labour, right? But me just stand for truth. See? And facts. For people to understand. See? So when you go around and live careless life and create all kind of poverty for yourself, you can't blame the Prime Minister for that. See? The only thing Mr. Jamaica can come out come discuss the Prime Minister every day. What go happen to picnic them fool parents? What the picnic them go come out to? The parents them who have picnic in the world, you know, both man and woman, you know, allow them to grow up exposed to judgment and demon before the time, you know. It's wickeder than the gunman who would point a gun upon a man and shoot him, you know. Because let me tell you something, my parents. When a woman or a man get a daughter, allow that daughter to start have sex from the age of 6 and 7, you know. A torture that, you know. A judgment that, you know. A them their judgment, you know. A them their judgment. When a father get him little son and allow that boy to grow up and start to smoke and go turn gunman and dead at the age of 17 or 18, then wickeder than the gunman, you know. Try to know that, you know. We don't have to know that. Some of you want to feel like someone who get picnic in the world is not a responsibility you take on. You bring a life into the world to protect and watch them grow good. See, and teach them right from wrong. But when you go in front of the camera and go cuss the Prime Minister with the look at them, we won't allow them to come do. Dead before the time. And dead in a sin. And perish because of fool no. Dirty lifestyle when I live in the world. I want to now watch that. And them things don't have to watch and cover up, man. And them things don't have to go debate pan, man. See? Enough of them people in the getaway, when I praise when not done. And I watch when not done, I have sex with the daughter, them find them go to primary school. I want to come out and debate about that. Enough of them waste, man. We rate when not done. No, so no little niece them go under severe punishment. For all of them done and them gangs there. We want to live round. We want to can't come out, come cuss about that. We want to come out, come talk about that. And them things don't have to come lobby about as people. But if the Prime Minister try to protect the island right now, we want to cuss him for. And I class the man every day. And I disrespect the man every day who run with little island. See? Over the years, from each Prime Minister to each Prime Minister come right down. Me never seen nothing like this before. See? Me never seen nothing like this before. All because the Prime Minister might be young and many times me see him do some things to it. Me feel like him shouldn't even do that as a Prime Minister. Laugh what we do now. And I could feel like I'm a companion too.
My people, that man shown in the video that I just presented to you seems as if he was upset when he made that video. It seems so. I'm not saying he was, but it seems so, you know. Basically, I'm assuming, you see. I do not agree with none of those harsh words that the man used in the video that I just presented to you. And I think that he's trying to send at least one positive message to Jamaicans worldwide. But I think that he might have done so in a very harsh way. I think that he had made at least a few valid points as well. But you can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. You can let me know what you think about these videos that I presented to you in this video. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I want to big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.